Hey guys, so my YouTube check came in. You know, it's a mind-blowing $105. So you know where we're at, the hazard fraught. We're gonna go in here and see if there's anything that I'm interested in. You know, I've been looking at like those finger sanders. You know, the thin. I don't know if they have them. I think they've got pneumatic ones, but I want some kind of electric or something. But we'll look around. We'll find something. So, all right, we'll see you when we come out. All right, guys, so we're back. It is really hot out here. Grab yourself a beer. So let me turn the camera around and we'll show you what we got. Hang on.
Hey, everybody. If you're enjoying the video content Iceman 50 is presenting, I urge you to like, share, and subscribe, okay? Thanks. What? Watch the video.
All right, so we got ourselves a 15-inch wrench, croissant wrench. I don't have a big one like that. Mine's a little bit smaller.
How dare you?
I got this. I saw this before we went there. It's a cordless compact heat gun. So it just takes the 20-volt packs, not the 12-volt packs. And then that was like 35 bucks. This was like $15, I think. And they said anything under $20 was 30% off or something like that. 30%. And then I got some more of these, you know, metal detail brushes. These were like $2.49. We got some zip. We got 2 packs of 100 zip ties. These are the 8-inch ones. And then I got these Icon plier wrenches. If you've never used one of these are really cool. Let me get my knife out. We'll cut this off and I'll show you kind of how these work. I have a pair of actual Irwin Vice Grip brand, and they're pretty cool. And before I do that, let's all right, so you can see here that the the detail pack was $2.99. the 10-inch pliers, that was $39.99. I guess that's right. Zip ties $2.49. Adjustable wrench, yeah, $15. The heat gun was $34. So I got charged 10 cents out here in Batavia. They now charge you a whole bag fee. So stupid. I've heard them do that in other places like Jersey or New York. So my total was $97.34. Sales tax here is 8%. I guess I didn't save anything. So my payout this month was $105, and I just spent $105.12. I was like, oh, I went over by 12 cents. Anyways, let me pull this out. We'll show you. And then I got a bonus box over there. All right, guys, this might be a little difficult one-handed, but so you can see they're parallel jaw, right, which is cool. And then you just push the button here and you can slide it down. You see that? So basically it's like an adjustable crescent, which is pretty neat. There's, you know, this thing can go pretty big. That's what she said. That's what he said. So
Brother,
yeah, pretty neat. I don't have one of these. My other ones aren't parallel jaw, but that's about it for that. And then we look at the, ow, damn, my the joint in my hand here has been popping like, I don't feel good. This is a motorcycle front and rear stand. So, you know, it's got the wheels, and this is what we're going to use to lift up the Rebel. Now, one thing I didn't know is that yeah, we didn't really need the stands to do the chain adjustment. If I come over here, see, that's why I got these right there. See it? There's a nut right there, and we're just gonna, you know, do that. Now on the side over here, there's an Allen, right here. So the guy I watched, you know, it would always be a best practice to put an Allen in here and hold it, but you just loosen this, loosen the outer lock nut, use the your Allen key to go in here, and we're just going to adjust it on the ground. I don't know why I was thinking I needed to jack it up to do that, but that's what we're going to do. I'm not doing that today. It's too, hang on, it's too hot. Yeah, anyways, you can see I'm not doing that today. It's like 90, and you guys like my beard? I gotta shave it off. I just been bored, and now it's really hot. So grab yourself a beer, na zdrovia, right? Have a good one, and we'll probably see you this weekend. I'm gonna try and get the, you know, I think it's supposed to rain for the next 3, 4, 5. It sucks. It's gonna be hot and rainy. But this weekend, I think Friday or Saturday, maybe Saturday is supposed to be, or Sunday. I don't know. But we'll do a couple of things when we get back. All right. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Easy.
I am iron.